In this video, I'm going to show you what GoHighLevel snapshots are and how you can actually use them in order to grow your business. Snapshots are one of those things that make GoHighLevel such a versatile and useful platform because essentially what they allow you to do is to take one of your GoHighLevel sub-accounts and take a snapshot of it, right? Almost like take a screenshot of all of the settings and all of the customization that you have done to it, and then be able to replicate that or even import it into someone else's GoHighLevel account. So if you've done a lot of work on one of your sub accounts, right? So you have the agency view and then you have all your different sub accounts within that in your GoHighLevel account. Depending on the kind of subscription you have, you can either have 3 of them or even unlimited if you're on one of the bigger plans. But yeah, you can essentially take all of the customization, all of the work that you've put in on one of your sub accounts and be able to sell it to other people as a snapshot, which is essentially an account template, right? You can, if you have a franchise business, let's say, you can just duplicate all of those settings that you've done once for all of your different locations. Or if you run an agency with clients from the same niche who need kind of the same setup, you don't have to actually start from scratch every single time to set up that location, that sub account. You can just duplicate it, which is incredibly useful and can save you tens of hours, if not hundreds of hours in the process. So that's essentially what snapshots are in a nutshell. It's basically you taking all of the customization, all of the custom setup that you've done in a GoHighLevel sub account and being able to duplicate that or send it to others so they can import it with just a click into their own account and then take it from there. Now, if you want to start using snapshots, you need to go into your GoHighLevel account, go to the agency view, right? So these are all the sub accounts. We are currently in the agency view, and then come here to account snapshots. Now, if for whatever reason you don't have a GoHighLevel account yet, make sure to create one right now so you can follow along in the description down below, and you can get an extended 30-day free trial instead of the usual 14-day free trial with my link. Once you are here in account snapshots, then you have 4 different tabs right here. The first one is My Snapshots, which is where you're going to have all of the snapshots that you have created on your own account. Then you have Imported Snapshots, where you will see all the snapshots that you've obviously imported into your account. Then you have Shared Snapshots. So here, you can essentially also share your own snapshot links with other people. And then you have Snapshot Templates. So with the templates here, it's pretty good because you have literally like dozens and dozens, if not hundreds, dozens of different kind of templates that you could get started with. So you can see the industry that they are in. And if you were to, for example, click on one of them, let's say this one, real estate consultant. Then if you wanted to set this up in your own account, you could just click here on create new sub account. And then after that, this would actually go and import this into a new sub account on your own GoHighLevel, right? So in this case, I'm not going to do this, but that's where you can find those templates. Then if you want to create your own snapshot, which is probably why you are here on this video, all you have to do is click here on create snapshot. Okay. And then after that, you can name it. I'm just going to name this one test. And then you want to select the specific sub account that you want to take all of the settings and setup from and import it into a new one or create a shareable link that you can give out to other people as well. So let's say I wanted to take this sub account and all of the settings and all of the customization that I've done in there. Then I'm going to click on next. And right now what it's doing is it's basically like searching that entire sub account and finding all of the custom setup and customization that you have done to it. And now here we are able to see all of the assets which are linked with that specific sub account that we have selected and pick which ones we want to actually import into our new snapshot, right? So if you wanted to put all of them, literally all of the customization, all of the assets into the snapshot, then you would just click here. Otherwise, what you can also do is just select them one by one, right? So I could just go and add, let's say, only these 3 specific ones into my new snapshot. Then I'm going to click here on create, and that's how simple it is to do. Just like that, now it's working on creating the snapshot from this. You can see that it's going to take probably a couple of minutes, maybe less. Mine is already done because I've only selected 3 assets that I want in my new snapshot. But if you select a lot of data, obviously it could take a couple of minutes. But now, as you can see, this shows up in the My Snapshots section, and I can see if I click on it which assets and which custom settings I actually have in here. And if I wanted to, I could refresh it right here. So if I made some extra changes, I can refresh the snapshot. I can create a new account with this specific snapshot. I can again here load updates to the sub account, and I can also share it. So you have a few options here. First, you can sell it on the GoHighLevel marketplace, which is a great way to make some extra side income if you've set up something amazing that other people find helpful as well. You can obviously delete the snapshot. You can view the change history on it. You can copy the snapshot ID, and you can also just share it right here. So when you are sharing your snapshot, you have a couple different options again that you can choose from in what way you want to share it. First, we have the permanent link. So like the name suggests, this is going to create a link for us, which if anybody clicks, they will be able to go ahead and import your snapshot into their GoHighLevel account. Then we have one-time share link. So this is great if you want to make sure that, you know, only one person that you send it to uses it and it doesn't get spread across too many accounts. So then you would get the one-time share link. Then we have the email share link, where you can add a bunch of emails in here and it will send it only to those people. Then we have agency restricted link. So you could enter, you know, like the agency relationship numbers here, and then only those people will be able to access it. Then we have sub account restricted link, and we have also marketplace shared link. So let's just say I want to get a regular permanent link. You could also turn on assets protection right here, but I'm not going to do that in this case. I'm just going to click here on get link. And just like that, I'm able to copy the snapshot link that I've just created. And if I click on close and I open this up in a brand new tab, you will be able to see that this is what it's going to pop up for other people when they click it, if they are already signed into GoHighLevel account. Do you want to import the test one to this account? And then if they click yes, it's going to go ahead and import that, you know, snapshot into their GoHighLevel account as well. So that's essentially how snapshots work, right? If I go into one of these sub accounts, you know, what I mean by you saving all of the customization, all of the settings into a new one is, you know, let's say this is, for example, right here, a custom dashboard that we've set up. So if we didn't want to do all of this from scratch again, then we are able to make a snapshot from this sub account and then be able to have other people import that with just a link. And you know, this took quite a lot of hours to set up with all of the backend stuff. So it's pretty cool that we can just copy and paste it into another account. Then we have stuff like automations, right? For different opportunities or contacts, or maybe you have some sites that you've set up, some templates, right? Let's say here we have an AI agent workflows. These are things that we are able to select as an asset when we are creating that snapshot. And then when someone else imports this into their GHL account, they will already have these set up for them. They don't need to do it from scratch. So snapshots are a pretty simple concept and they are very easy to use, but they make your life a lot easier if you are an agency owner, if you are a small business owner that maybe has multiple locations, or even if you're just trying to make some side income by selling all of your hard work that you've set up in your GoHighLevel account. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you want to see more content like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you haven't got your GoHighLevel account yet, please go ahead, start a 30-day free trial in the description down below. It helps out the channel a lot as well. And I will see you guys in the next video.